For your upcoming trip, there is no better place to go than beautiful, European, the Dutch city of Rotterdam. One of Europe's most picturesque and vibrant cities is Rotterdam. Hello and welcome to Z, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you're curious about Rotterdam's reputation, its harbor is the largest and most crowded in all of Europe. It is the pride and delight of Holland, displaying contemporary architecture, stunning seascapes, as well as a selection of clubs to check out while you're there. Is a trip to Rotterdam worthwhile? Absolutely. We'll show you all the top things to do in this video. Rotterdam, so that your journey is enjoyable, memorable, and secure. With its magnificent and contemporary architecture, there are activities for everyone in the vibrant city life and lovely ocean breeze. This town. But first, here's our list of the top attractions in Rotterdam. Please click the subscribe button to receive updates on all of our travel advice. Moving on to the top activities in Rotterdam, listed. Go to the Cube houses first. One of Europe's most recognizable examples of architecture are the Cube residences in Rotterdam. And with good cause. These odd apartments have a cube-like shape and are tilted at an astounding 45 degrees. Angle of degree. In a sea of contemporary drab structures, they stand out thanks to their vibrant yellow colors. In the region. For a modest cost, you can tour inside one of these apartments, which is a great experience. Buildings and marvel at this contemporary wonder. The architect who created the Cube homes, 1960s Piet Blom era. You'll feel encircled by these flats if you stand in the middle of them. Their angular roofs. This was done on purpose since Blom intended the flats' designs to provide the image of a rainforest on trees. A pedestrian bridge is also formed by the Cube dwellings, so that you can admiringly walk across them, snap photos, and wonder at these amusement parks. Would you like to become even more involved in the Cube homes? You can also choose to stay the night in one of these Cube residences as a guest at a hostel. Of course, free breakfast and Wi-Fi are included. 2. Stroll across Erasmus Bridge. The Erasmusberg, also referred to as the Erasmus Bridge, spans a remarkable 802 meters, linking Rotterdam's north and south, and providing as one of the city's most significant landmarks. The bridge, with a cable design, is stunning. Has a solitary, 456-foot-tall pylon, earning it the endearing moniker the Swan Bridge. Cycling is permitted on this bridge, which has 2 cycle lanes and 2 sidewalks. This makes it the ideal bridge for a romantic stroll with a special someone. One of Europe's most recognizable cable bridges, you can stand here and see the ships, transporting both people and goods back and forth. Use the bridge to go where you're going and tour the city's various neighborhoods. Keep a lookout for events to have even more fun that constantly occur on and near the bridge. Get your camera out and start taking pictures. This feat of engineering. 3. Go to Delfshaven historic site. You can visit historic Delfshaven after crossing the Erasmus Bridge. Come enjoy the stunning, rural vistas, sounds, and atmosphere of this region of the city. In Delfshaven, one of Rotterdam's final undeveloped neighborhoods. Unfortunately, a lot of Rotterdam was destroyed during World War II in the 1940s. The city was decimated by bombings, although one district, Delfshaven, managed to avoid the chaos. You can travel down to this tranquil harbor, a night out on the town, or even during the day in the metropolis. Visit De Pelgrim, the municipal brewery in which you can sample genuine, handcrafted local beer because it is the sole brewery in Rotterdam. Additionally, Delfshaven is home to numerous ancient structures and charming windmills. This is one of the top locations to visit while on your honeymoon if you're out with a special someone, as its picturesque port and charming structures make the ideal setting for any dating night. 4. Spend the day in Kinderdijk. Need more historical places like Delfshaven? The sights and sounds of Kinderdijk will astound you. This website was rated in 1997. With good reason, it was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are canals and 19 wind turbines that are still operational and display the stunning engineering and Dutch authority over the waterways. The windmills are situated atop canals and face each other. Waterways and dikes surround the area. Take a boat ride along the water to explore Kinderdyk and learn how the Dutch have kept their feet dry with this method for nearly 700 years. This region is among the most popular for photography in the nation and is also among the most significant for recognize the significance of water management and the severity of the effects of climate change. Tours of 2 wind turbines as well as the De Fabriek auxiliary pumping station are available every day. Additionally, you can take a guided tour and see movies about Kinderdyk and its history here. Tour. Here at Kinderdyk, there's always something new to discover. 5. Take a trip to the Maritime District. One of the nicest areas is the Maritime District. Locations to go in Rotterdam to fully comprehend its maritime heritage. The District of the Marine to famous sites like the Maritime Museum, one of Europe's largest naval museums. You can explore and engage with a wide variety of nautical objects, exhibitions, and even Navy ships. Cranes and ships. But the intriguing Maritime District also includes the Maritime Museum, the destroyed city monument, which honors Rotterdam and its destruction, is located nearby. It was an impressive sight just behind the Maritime Museum during World War II. Hungry? Snack at one of the many sidewalk cafes and restaurants in this area, and relax as you take in the sights and sounds of the city's oldest nautical neighborhood. 6. Climb the Euromast to the top. For truly outstanding and elite, reserve a trip to the Euromast's observation deck for views over Rotterdam. Completed in 1960, the Hugh Maskant-designed Euromast offers visitors breathtaking 360-degree views of Rotterdam. Visitors can use the platform's 96-meter height to take images, outlook the scenery while dining at the Euromast restaurant, which has the best view in the area. You can even get a room at the Euromast Hotel, which offers one of the most breathtaking and enchanting stays for you and a partner. Elevator access is available to the Euromast, so that you won't have to worry about making the entire ascent. In case you're seeking, the Euromast also serves as a venue for sporting activities like base jumping, even a rappel. Make sure to make reservations in advance if that's your cup of tea. There are only a few spots available for daredevils. 7. Go to the Rotterdam Markthal. One of our favorite places to visit in Rotterdam is the Markthal, or Market Hall. Visit the town's numerous stalls and restaurants while also taking in some of the top attractions it has to offer. At the locations of this marvel of architecture, the Market Hall features exquisite design. Beautiful paintings of vibrant flowers may be seen along the Horn of Plenty, one of the building's inner walls. The 11,000 square meters of markets, which were finished in 2014, sell fresh fruit, meats, and seafood, plus a whole lot more. Everything from coffee to ice cream, toiletries, and churros. There is something for everyone in Market Hall, including dumplings. History buffs will also enjoy discovering the De Tit Trap beneath the Market Hall stairs, which exhibits some of the most intriguing and distinctive archaeological discoveries made across the building work on the Market Hall. 8. Visit the Rotterdam Zoo. Without activities for the little ones, no family holiday is complete. The Rotterdam Zoo is a fantastic location for your kids to learn about the sights, and from the comfort of your home, listen to the jungle noises and learn about creatures from all around the world. Of a zoo with exquisite design. In the Rotterdam Zoo, there are numerous species, activities, daily trips, and activities. The best selection was the Rotterdam Zoo. From 2015 to 2018, this zoo was the best in the Benelux, and one visit will convince you of that. Everyday feedings of polar bears and sharks, as well as feedings of sea lions and cow-nose rays, children and adults alike will be amazed by the wonders of the wild animals after visiting this zoo. Life, particularly if you enjoy eating. 9. Explore the Europort by boat. Whether you wish to reserve a small boat excursion through the Europort or use a water taxi, there are several ways to discover Rotterdam, the busiest port in Europe. Boat tours provide giving you a special vantage point from which to view the port's magnificence. Learn about the various industries here while taking in the sights and sounds of the port. Additionally, you can seek for tours that include food and beverages on board and request a boat tour. While doing all of this, let the captain take you on a trip across Rotterdam's stunning seas. Finale, we hope you liked it. Watch this video to learn more about the sights, sounds, and special qualities of Rotterdam. Want to investigate a different European city or gather inspiration for your upcoming epic journey? Visit our YouTube channel to activate the notify button for next videos. By the end of this phrase, I will have been and will still be James, and I'll run into you all soon.